Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts. And today, I'm on board the beautiful Explorer of the Seas. Now this particular category is a promenade view interior room. It works for quite a few of our guests. I'll go through why and show you the space in just a minute. But keep in mind when you're ready to book this particular room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. We know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, when this ship was built, it had the very first Royal Promenade on board. This class of ship, starting with the Voyager, it really changed the entire industry. Now, you can see that on our full ship tour, but these particular rooms are interior, but they look down on the Royal Promenade down below. Now, when you walk in the room, you're going to find it's very similar to the other rooms here on board. To the right, we'll find the bathroom space. So as I step inside, you've got a decent sized vanity here. You've got storage behind the mirror tucked just away. Then you'll also have a little bit of storage underneath. You've got the toilet tucked just behind. I'm gonna step in the shower. Now I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually do fit just fine in the shower here. I love the idea that you have the bowed out shower doors instead of the shower curtain. You've got the adjustable shower wand, nook for your bath amenities, and then they have hair and body wash here that they'll replenish throughout your stay. Just across from the bathroom, you'll find the storage, and there's quite a bit of it in here. So you'll see that you have hanging storage all the way across. You've got storage up and down with the shelves. You've got a safe, perfect size for a passport or a wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. Now in the bedroom space itself, you're going to find the beds together in what they call their Royal King configuration right here. It can separate it apart into two twins if that's your preference. Either way, you're going to have plenty of space underneath to tuck your large bags away. You've got a reading lamp and a directional reading light above on either side here. And then you're also going to find that you have the adjustable thermostat. Now directly across, you'll find your flat panel TV, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. There's shelves for storage all the way up and down, some drawers down below as well. Now this particular one is an adjoining room, so you do have a connection to the room next door. Sometimes that's a great configuration for a family. You have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a little bit more space there. Now keep in mind they have that same with the ocean views, the interiors, also with the balconies themselves. Now, as we head further into the room, you're going to find that you have a little love seat here. Directly across, you're going to find your writing desk that doubles as a vanity. So you've got large window or large. Now you're going to have mirrors on either side with storage behind them. You're going to have lights that will light up and provide quite a bit of light there to sit and get ready. And then you'll find your hairdryer just underneath. You've got 2 US plugs and a European plug here. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the space. Your mini fridge is tucked just underneath there as well. And then one of the signatures of this class of room is that you're also going to have this great bench seat. Now, depending on where you are in the promenade, this particular room, we're looking over guest relations down below. As you get further along, keep in mind that they do have parades, they have different parties on the promenade. So these aren't necessarily the quietest rooms. It's important to understand that. It can be a great fit, especially as an upgrade from an interior. But if you're looking for a little bit more peace and quiet, you may want to go to one of the balconies or another one of the upgraded rooms as well. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on HarrTravel.com. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.